A lot of people like to know exactly how long it takes to make a project like this, and I can tell you because I recorded it all, and it took exactly 2 hours and 17 minutes, including cutting the burl up with the chainsaw. In this video, I'm going to use the SpheroPlane to just carve a very accurate curve through a very rough piece of wood, in this case a bit of an old jarrah burl that I had on my fire heap. I just want to see what happens if I just superimpose these nice graceful curves, leaving the flaws that are in the wood as a contrast. So here's the finished bowl. I filled just these with oil into the holes here, and so they've gone a very dark colour. And I'm leaving all of those features in the bowl. You get a beautiful, perfect curve from the SpheroPlane. Basically, that's been imposed on this very, very rough shape, but you end up with a beautiful, smooth curve cutting through all of those features. So again, I call these things features, not flaws. So I'm very, very happy with that.